Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Zoom. All right, so first up, go ahead and log in with your account to calendly.com. Now, once you're in here, just go to the left panel and click on Integrations and Apps. Click on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead and look for Zoom, okay? If you can't find Zoom in here, you can go ahead and use the search function and type in Zoom, like so, and it will be shown. Once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, it will show you the features that can save you time. For example, automatically create Zoom meetings at a time an event is scheduled, or instantly share unique conferencing details upon confirmation. The requirements are your Zoom account, and your Zoom account administrator must pre-approve Calendly in the Zoom marketplace. Just hit on Connect Zoom. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, it will ask you to sign in with your Zoom account, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account that is tied to my Zoom account, okay? This one. Now, in here, just tick on this tick box. Now, you can go ahead and scroll down and review everything right here. If you're happy with it, just hit on Allow. As you can see here, you'll agree to Zoom App Marketplace Terms of Use. Just hit on Allow and wait for Calendly to reopen. And once done, you're good to go. Okay, you can now go ahead and set Zoom as the location of your events. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.